In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on FXCM. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to fxcm.com, and then on here, you first have to open an account. So you can either open a real account, a live account, or you can try demo at first, okay? So whenever you do this, of course, you will receive your sign-in credentials to be able to start trading. So right away on the screen, you'll see your login and password, and you'll also receive those to your email to get going. Now, to actually start trading, then click on login, and then click on trading station over here. And then it's going to take you to a box where you can basically put in your login details for either live or demo account. And after you do that, after you basically put in your login username and password, you will be able to go over here to basically FXCM trading station, okay? Now, in here, you can then go ahead and start trading. So, of course, you have a bunch of different things. If you want to learn how to actually navigate this, I have a video tutorial on that as well on my channel, so make sure you watch it. But if you only want to go ahead and start trading, simply search for the thing you'd like to trade, such as, for example, Bitcoin. And then over here on the right-hand side, you can see you can either open the simple or the advanced view, okay? And then you can go ahead and either sell or buy by market or entry, and then you can select how many contracts you'd like to buy. Simply click on buy over here, and then just like that, your order will be executed successfully. You can see the open positions over here. You can modify them, you can close them, and then you can sell whenever you want to as well. Okay, so that's pretty much how to trade on the FXCM. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.